Hello everybody, welcome to the Hollow Hobbyists. We are your hosts Ryan
and Montez.
And today, Mario Kart 64.
Oh, this is going to bring back so many memories you don't understand.
No, I'm pretty sure they understand. Some of them.
Some of them.
So, we got 2-player. So, we got versus, battle, and of course the actual racing.
We might as well just start with the racing. I think there's people can't hear for that. The balloons can wait.
Balloons always need to come. But we'll get to that. So we'll do 50cc.
Yeah, because I really never played that too much Mario Kart myself. I was never a big Mario person as a kid.
Give me Luigi.
What?
We have technical difficulties, like always. There we go.
Well, you can go ahead and have Luigi because I'm Big Brother Mario.
Beat the crap out of you.
That's what you think, sir. Special tracks.
Let's go to Mush. Yeah, let's go to Mushroom Cup. It's only been forever since I played this.
I still don't know which ones to go.
That's a good question.
Yeah, we're experts here, people. We're experts.
Expert. Which button did you push?
A.
Alright.
Okay. This is gonna be horrible.
I'm losing it. So going into this, and he already got lightning bolt. That is bull crap.
Yes. You can't beat Big Brother Mario. I told you this.
How is it that you have lightning bolt and you still failed that epically? So
because
we
this
have
controller don't turn.
Blame the controller.
Yeah, blame the controller. That's a pro gamer right there. I'll take third place, so you ain't stopping me. Oh, now I'm 7. I'm gonna talk as much trash as I can, because you ain't gonna stop me. Oh, you bastard. No.
Who got... How do we double lightning bolts?
Because this is Mario Kart, sir.
We're just...
I don't think we're...
The goal...
The goal is just not to come in last place.
Yeah. And I hit him.
Wario, we're coming for that butt. I'm not sure we can curse on the channel.
Well, you already said one, so...
Sir, I didn't say anything. I don't know what you're talking about.
So, going into this, we had a good idea that whoever loses maybe the most...
We'll have to do a little challenge, but apparently...
We're having our own issues.
We might just be doing it together, instead of just making the other person do it.
No! Oh.
Yes! Yes!
No! No! And this game has become... At
least I figured out how to turn the controller now. Yeah, stay out in front, sir.
Oh!
No, no. Yes. Yes. Got this. I got this. I got this. I got this. Yes. Woo!
Oh well, got second. And there's 3 other races to go. So, the little challenge we got planned ahead is we have some Warhead
ice creams
or popsicles or whatever
whatever.
And the loser at the end of this is gonna have to eat one of them.
Yeah.
And we'll do a random flavor, so we don't get the flavor we want, something like that. We just get random.
Yeah, it's gonna happen. Things.
That's bullcrap! So, what we're actually saying is Ryan is going to be eating it.
Yes, that's the way it should be, sir. Because I don't want to do that. And I'm going to make sure I'm going to do everything in my possible way to make sure you're the one eating one today. Ugh, I'm just missing all the power-ups. People yelling at me, I know it. Things are hitting me in the butt for some reason. Come on, I'm Mario. You don't supposed to be hitting on Mario, man. I'm the mascot here.
How did I miss all of this? I slid through all of them. Oh, man.
Sir, I'm near pretty much last place now, so I don't know what you complain about.
At least it's not 15 lightning bolts.
That's cool. I'm still trying to get my controller back on control. Dang. Last place, last place. I'm missing all the power-ups. You just don't know. Ugh.
Oh, boy. I'm having my fun first place now.
Lucky.
So now, I'm still waiting for that blue shell to just randomly show up.
It's so funny that you said that.
You!
It was so funny that you talked. As soon as you said it, it popped up on my screen like, yep. Let's get from opening your mouth, sir. I might not win, but you're not going to win either.
I don't care. Third place means I get points.
I don't care. The point was who's the one who wins the most. So technically, even if you do beat the next race, we're still tied. Man, this is craziness. Craziness.
We're tied already. Bowser's beating Luigi and Mario. How is this a thing? Why do we have 3 second places and 3 sixth places?
And 3 sixth places.
That is the greatness right there. Alright.
Okay.
I have a Bowser in front of me.
Yeah, big butt.
Well, that's one way of starting it.
Apparently, I know how to hit those. Start off. Apparently, I just can't keep it up.
Nope. I'm.
What? You got something to say, sir? Say it. Yeah, I know what you want.
Kids stay in school.
No. Turn. No. Why?
I know nothing about loyalty. Trees. Watch out for the trees. We're George of the jungle. Watch out for the trees.
Wario, I'm coming for you. I don't know who's in first place right now.
Bowser. How is Bowser? We're gonna get our butts kicked by Bowser. We have destroyed the name that is Mario Luigi.
Wait, so you destroyed Luigi. I'm still Mario. He always apparently escapes from me. So this ain't nothing new for me. Rolling, 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 roll. Keep rolling.
Okay, I don't care. I'm in third. I need to hit a princess, apparently.
Please don't do that. You know how many feelings on the...
Bye-bye, princess. Don't hit a tree! Okay, sorry. Got excited.
Hit the tree.
I said don't do that.
So I can't help it?
First place. Second place. First place. Lightning bolts. Fantastic.
You're welcome. Final lap. And I think I'm gonna be doing the penalty. Go figure.
Alright.
And... Riding. What's gonna happen here? What would I get next? I'm hitting everything under the sun. Last place, I'm coming for you. Okay. I'm in fourth. Let me get third. It won't make much of a difference.
Yes! First place.
I'm in third place.
Get it.
Woo! I got points. Yay.
It's gonna be one of those moments.
It's gonna be one of those. How many races technically are in the cup?
Each one of them has 4.
Okay, so I mean, it's still more than enough time to come back, people. Mario's gonna win. We already know Mario's gonna win.
Mario's not gonna win. If game theory has never proved us anything, Luigi's the one who gets the girl.
I mean, if game theory proves anything, Mario's Kami.
No, he proved that he wasn't a commie. And that Bowser was a mini deity.
Where are you going with this?
I don't care. Time. I'm psyching you out. Whew. Wait, which one is this? I don't like this.
Why do you not like this?
There's those nice little issues we were having earlier. Oh, and the game froze. No. Oh man, that's fantastic. That's
so
the best.
I guess we call this a tie then?
No, bull crap. Alright, so the game froze, obviously.
So yeah.
I was in the lead, I would like that to be known. And he had to have definitely gotten first place to beat me.
Which was gonna happen.
No, it wasn't. You had to get first place and I had to get nothing. I was going to win.
No, you weren't.
Yes, I was.
No.
But in the spirit, we're going to go with tie. So, in the spirit of a tie, we are going to do a blindfold test of the Warheads Extra Sour Pops.
I'm already reading it. Watermelon, blue raspberry, apple, and black cherry.
I hope I get black cherry and not blue raspberry.
I hope I get watermelon or apple. I do not want to get a black cherry, man.
So many jokes.
So many jokes.
But since I was in the lead, I think you should go first.
Of course you would. So what? Are you going to pick the one for me then, or it's not?
No, you're gonna choose it randomly. I'm gonna.
I got one thing to say to you and everybody out there. Here's looking at you.
So I got the 4 different flavors. That's some great sounds. God, that's great sounds.
I'm so nervous.
All right, you pick one and I'll open it for you.
Where they at?
Right in front of you.
Let's go ahead with that one.
All right.
Hopefully it wasn't black cherry. Your silence says it all, sir. Okay, so I take one big bite. Oh.
You know that one I didn't want?
Okay, then. The first bite was the worst. It's not that bad after that.
What do you think it is?
Apple.
No.
Oh, it wasn't apple.
Oh.
It was a blue raspberry then.
Yes, it was.
Okay. Well then. That's strange. It wasn't all that bad. There you go, sir.
Alright.
I'm so eating it too.
Oh, there's that wonderful sound again. Be careful with things sharp, okay?
Okay.
Get some on me. How are you doing this? Okay.
Because that sounds good for knife.
Touche.
And this is not a knife. My knife's at home. Bottoms up. What do you think you got?
Like, that has to be sour apple.
Yes, you got it.
God.
That one you said you didn't want?
No, the blue is definitely the one I did not want.
It's not that bad, actually.
Is it? Well,
that was
you
interesting.
got it everywhere. How'd you do that?
Because I was trying to slash it open.
You're not good.
No. So everybody, I hope you enjoyed our first gameplay video. Now,
It is horrible.
Well, but at least we still followed on our challenge. Though we never said we actually was doing the challenge.
Yeah, we did. We said it in the middle of the thing. We were saying that we had a challenge to do. We talked about the warhead.
Yeah. So if you like to see more Mario Kart, maybe sometime it doesn't freeze or any other game from N64 or Super Nintendo, and something retro, drop a comment and a like.
And subscribe as always. See you later.
See you next time.